To get started with your Salesforce Automotive Cloud trial, begin by searching for Start Your Free Learning Trial of Automotive Cloud on Google. Click the official Salesforce link to reach the registration page. Once there, fill out the form with your professional details, enter your first and last name, job title, and a valid work email address. Be sure to select the correct number of employees for your company and choose Automotive as your industry. Finally, select your country, agree to the main services agreement, and click Start My Free Trial to begin the setup process. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification message from Salesforce. Click the Verify Account button in the email, which will redirect you to a page to set up your security credentials. You will need to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your email. Once verified, create a strong new password and select a security question and answer to protect your new demo environment. Click Change Password to complete this step and log in to the Salesforce Lightning experience. Once you're logged in, you'll need to assign the necessary permission sets to your user profile. Navigate to the Setup menu and search for Users in the Quick Find box. Select your user profile and scroll down to the Permission Set Assignments section. Click Edit Assignments and search for Automotive and Data Pipeline permissions. Add Automotive Foundation and Data Pipelines Base User to your enabled permission sets and save your changes. Next, you need to enable the specific features for Automotive Cloud. In the Setup Quick Find box, search for Criteria-Based Search and Filter and toggle the feature to Active. Then, search for Data Pipeline and navigate to Getting Started. Ensure the Data Pipeline toggle is switched to Enabled. This allows the system to process complex automotive data sets efficiently. The final step in your basic setup is configuring the data processing engine. Search for Data Processing Engine in the Setup menu. Here, you can view existing definitions or create a new one by clicking New.
ऐसे और वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहे, लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।